Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about spray tinting. When you're doing a single blossom, maybe you want a blue hydrangea to be a little more lavender. Taking it outside and just spraying down, not a big deal. But maybe you need hundreds of blossoms tinted. Or maybe you're doing silver pine cones, or maybe using the Pantone color of the year gray and painting all of the containers. Then your finger can get a little sore and tired. For that, using a snap-on spray gun. You can get these at the hardware store. It just snaps directly on the can, and then you spray, just holding it like you would on a lever, spray hose, any type of thing. And it makes it quick and easy to color tint a large amount of items without killing your thumb. Now you know the pro technique.